Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to completely uninstall 360-degree total security on a system. Antiviruses. If you're having this particular antivirus on a system, how we can completely uninstall this. So the first and foremost step is all about you have to minimize this, go over here, search for the control panel and navigate to the control panel. Now the first and foremost step, if this has been set into large icon or small icon, change into the category. Then go to the programs and features over here. You can go to uninstall program. Then just wait, and now you'll be able to find 360 total security. Right click and go for uninstall this. From here you can uninstall it. But sometimes this is not enough. We need to uninstall it completely. Sometimes some whereabouts might be left in the system, so you'll be having the trouble. So we need one app called Revo Uninstaller, so it is available in the Google Chrome. So you can search here for Revo Uninstaller. This is absolutely free. You can go to this particular site, the first one, and this is absolutely free, and a purchase also is there. So what I'm saying is you can go to the product and get Revo Uninstaller Pro. So you can use it for the first time. You can download a free trial for the time being, but down the road, if you find this video useful, you can go for buy now. Now once I have already downloaded the free trial, so over here as you can see I'm having the Revo Uninstaller, so I have to click on this one, just go for yes. And once the Revo Uninstaller is done, what you need to do is you just need to select 360 total security. So this is the 360 total security. Click on uninstall and go for continue, and just wait for the creating system restore point. Just wait for this to create it. Now before that, over here, make sure that is set into moderate. You should not be keep this on safe or advanced. Now go back here. Now click on the next. Now they might be asking you some reason why you are uninstalling this. You can go for I don't need it. Then go for uninstall. We have options like temporary exit, repair and install. What I'm saying is go for uninstall and just go for uninstall. Then go for next. Go for yes once again. And this will take a little bit of time so that it will be completely uninstalled from your device. Just wait for this. So once done, it is fine. It is successfully uninstalled. Now you will not be able to find the 360-degree over here. Now close everything. You can close it and you can use it. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.